Assalamu alaikum dear students. Okay, so after red drop and enhancement effect, we are talking about light reaction. So the first part of light reaction was red drop and enhancement effect. The second part of this light reaction is photosystems. Now, by the discovery of this red drop and enhancement effect, it was concluded that there are two photosystems which work together in photosynthesis in the light reaction. So these two pigment systems or these two photosystems, they were called as photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Now remember, these photosystems, they are actually the special chlorophyll molecules which are present in on thylakoid membranes, because light reaction, I already told you that it takes place on thylakoid membrane. So this PS1, this photosystem 1, is mainly present in stromal lamella. Now stromal lamella, as I already told you, that stromal lamella are those thylakoids which are present in that stroma, which connect to grana, or they interconnect these grana together, right? So these are known as stromal lamella, and this PS system, this PS1, it is present in the stromal lamella. Now this photosystem, what is it actually? This photosystem, it is a pigment which contains carotenes. I already told that these photosystems, they are special pigments. These are chlorophyll molecules also are there, okay? So they contain these carotenes, chlorophyll B, and different forms of chlorophyll A, like chlorophyll 670, chlorophyll A 680. But this energy trapped by these antenna molecules. Now I already told you what are these antenna molecules. Antenna molecules are chlorophyll B molecules, chlorophyll A molecules, and carotenoids. They together, they constitute this antenna complex. It is known as antenna complex. Now this energy, the solar energy which is trapped by antenna complex, it is ultimately transferred to P700. So P700 is the reaction center of photosystem 1. Remember this point, that P700, it is the reaction center of photosystem 1. So P700 means simply a special chlorophyll A molecule which absorbs in the region of 700 nanometer wavelength. And this second is photosystem 2. Photosystem 2, it is present mainly in grana lamella. So the those grana thylakoids, they contain this photosystem 2. Now this photosystem 2 it contains xanthophyll. Carotenes, they are present in photosystem 1, and xanthophyll, they are present in photosystem 2. So it contains xanthophyll, chlorophyll P, and different forms of chlorophyll A. And the reaction center of PS2 photosystem 2 is P680. Remember this point also. For the photosystem 1, the reaction center is P700, and for the photosystem 2, the reaction center is P680. So reaction center is actually a typical special type of chlorophyll A molecule, as I already told you. Now in the next diagram, you'll see the different this coordination of these two photosystems. How do they and what they do? So first of all, let's see this photosystem 1. These yellow circles that you are seeing, these are antenna complex molecules. Now this photon, it is the solar energy. The solar energy, it is irradiated by the sun, and it is put on these antenna complex molecules. Now they transfer energy to one another, and ultimately that energy is transferred to photosystem 1. I already told you that reaction center P700. Now from this reaction center P700 or photosystem 1, an excited electron takes place. Excitation of an electron takes place. This electron is excited, and it goes to higher energy level, and it is accepted by a primary electron acceptor. Then through the electron transport chain, there are different complexes in electron transport chain. There is cytochrome BC complex, there is pyridoxine, and all those things, all those protein molecules which take part in electron transport chain. So this excited electron, along with energy, it is transported through this electron transport chain, and ultimately ATP is produced. Now the excited electron is further transferred to photosystem 2. So at photosystem 2, again this solar energy is irradiated, and then the photon which is irradiated on this photosystem 2 antenna complex molecules, they ultimately transfer this energy to P680, that is reaction center of photosystem 2. Then there is again occurs the excitation of electron. Then that electron also transported through electron transport chain, and ultimately NADP is produced, that is nicotiniamide adenine dinucleotide. So these are the two products which are produced from light reaction, that you should remember that from the light reaction, two products are produced, that is ATP and NADP. ATP is for the energy, and NADP is reduction. It is used for the reduction of carbon dioxide to sugar molecule in dark reaction. That will take study later on. So this is about photosystems, and tomorrow we are going to talk about the third part of light reaction, that which is the actual part, that is photophosphorylation. How is this mechanism of ATP formation takes place, and how is this ATP produced? So cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation, this we will talk about tomorrow. Thank you.